I'm going to talk about testing solutions of inequalities. Okay, the first thing we need to review is what is an inequality. Well, an inequality is when the left side of an equation is not equal to the right side of an equation. So instead of putting an equal sign there, we can put in an inequality. So what are the inequalities? Okay, well, this should be reviewed because we've talked about inequalities this year already, but let's go over them. So the first one is less than. Then you have greater than. You have less than or equal to. And greater than or equal to. Okay, so less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, and you know that they're equal to by the line underneath of the inequality. Okay, so today we're going to talk about testing solutions of inequalities, and it's just like testing solutions of equations, but instead of an equal sign in there, there's going to be a inequality, okay? One of these four. So the first one we're going to do is 4x is less than 3x plus 2. And we're going to test x equals 1, x equals 2, and x equals 3. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, we plug in numbers, just like we have done in the past. So 4, we're going to do 1 first. So 4 times 1 less than 3 times 1 plus 2. So if I do 4 times 1, I get 4. 3 times 1, I get 3 plus 2. Okay, if I simplify this, I get 5 less than 4. So I say this, 4 is 4 less than 5. 4 is less than 5, so 1 works. Okay, one of the big differences between testing solutions of inequalities and testing solutions of equations is that there can be more than one answer. So you can't just get one answer and then say, oh, that's it. You have to check every single one of them. Okay, so let's try the next one. Okay, so instead of putting 1 in for x, we're going to put 2, because x equals 2. We're going to test that one. So 4 times 2 is 8, less than 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So is 8 less than 8? 8 is not less than 8. So that does not work. Okay? If this said 8 is less than or equal to, if the inequality was equal, less than or equal to, then it would work. Okay, so you got to be careful. You got to read it out loud or read it to yourself to make sure that you're getting it right. And I think it's easiest when you hear it out loud. So 8 less than 8. Is 8 less than 8? No, it's not. It's equal to. So this does not work. Okay, let's try the last one. Erase this. Okay, and let's plug in a 3. Four times 3 is 12, less than. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2. Okay, so I get 12 less than, 9 plus 2 is 11. Is 12 less than 11? No, it's not. So this one doesn't work either. So the only one that works, the only solution out of these 3 for x that makes this true is x equals 1. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try one more. 5y plus 1 is greater than 4 plus 2y. Okay, we're going to have y equals 0, y equals 2, and y equals 6. Okay, so we plug them in. 5 times, I'm going to plug in 0 for y, 0 plus 1 greater than 4 plus 2 times y. So 5 times 0. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 1 greater than 4 plus 2 times 0 is 0. Okay? 0 plus 1 is 1, greater than 4 plus 0 is 4. Is 1 greater than 4? Nope. So this doesn't work. Okay? Let's try the next one. We plug a 2 in now. Test that solution. So I have 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1, greater than 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4. 10 plus 1 is 11, greater than 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, is 11 greater than 8? 11 is greater than 8, so 2 works. Okay, and let's check the last one. We're going to plug in a 6. So 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is greater than 4, plus 2 times 6 is 12. 30 plus 1 is 31, greater than 4 plus 12 is 16. Is 31 greater than 16? It is. So that works as well. Okay, that's testing solutions of inequalities. Okay, make sure you test each one, okay, because there can be more than one answer, just like this one. 2 out of the 3 work. Okay, so you got to make sure you test each one. Show your work like this, and you'll be just fine. Okay?